Hi guys, welcome to Cash's Bakes. We're going to jump straight into the recipe by adding 290 grams of strong white bread flour to the bowl. Next is the secret ingredient, milk powder. This will make your bread super soft and you will keep your loaf fresher for longer, so don't skip this. I will add a link below where you can get it from. You need 10 grams of milk powder, just add it to the flour. With 4 grams of instant yeast. Then give it a mix before adding the salt and sugar. We got 5 grams of sea salt, just add it straight to the flour. And then 30 grams of sugar. I'm using caster sugar, but you can use caster or granulated sugar here. Just give it a quick mix to combine and set it aside. We're adding the wet ingredients to the bowl first. So we've got 125 grams of whole milk in room temperature and 1 medium egg. Just add it straight to the mixer and we give it a quick mix before adding the dry ingredients. I found that if you add the liquid first, it will combine quicker in a mixer. Okay, that will do it. Now we're going to add the dry ingredients straight in and then keep mixing until it forms a dough. Okay, a little tidy up in the meantime. There we go. Okay, let's start the mixer. Okay, let's switch the view so you can see what's going on. I've added 75 grams of unsalted butter to the dough, bit by bit, and mixed it until the dough forms. This took about 10 minutes. But you will see how lovely the dough is, and it's not sticky at all. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. Now let's take the dough out of the bowl and give it a few folds. I like to do stretch and fold and slap and folds. It's so much fun. Time for a little break. Cover the dough with the mixing bowl, set the timer and make yourself a cup of tea. After a little rest, this dough is super relaxed and so easy to handle. Just a few extra folds to build the tension in the dough. And we are ready for the window pane test. Lovely. Place the dough in the oiled bowl, cover it up and rest it for 1 to 2 hours. Depending on your room temperature. In the meantime, we can prepare the blueberry filling. Place 250 grams of frozen blueberries into a pan. Try to get them all in the pan. And add 50 grams of caster sugar and cornflour mixed with water. Then cook it on a hob until the blueberries have softened and the mixture become thick. Then place it in a pot or a jar and cool it down completely. Let's check the dough. Perfect. Punch the dough down and remove from the bowl. Knock the air down and form into the bowl, then flatten it down and wrap in a cling film. Shape it into a rough rectangle and rest it in the fridge. This step will make rolling and filling easier. One hour later, and our dough is ready to roll. We only need a small amount of flour. Roll it into a rectangle around 13 by 16 inches. A lovely blueberry filling comes next. Spread it all over and roll it into a tight log. There is one more step to take. Sorry guys. Wrap the log in a cling film and place it in the fridge again. You can skip this step, but trust me, it will make the cutting and plaiting so much easier. Okay, this is the best part. Unwrap the log and then cut it in half lengthwise to create 2 long pieces. Dough scraper works great for this. So just cut it all the way down the length so we can reveal the blueberry filling. Are you ready? Oh, just look at that lovely colour and all the layers we have created. Now we're going to plait the dough. Take one of the lengths and place it on top of the other, creating an X, just like that. Then plait or twist from the middle down on the both sides. Try and keep the blueberry filling on top the whole time. Place your beautiful twist into a lined loaf tin. I'm using 12 inches long loaf tin. Smaller one will work too. Then cover it and proof for 30 minutes to 1 hour. In the meantime, you can preheat the oven to 160 degrees C. Before the dough goes into the oven, brush it with milk and then bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Ta-da! Oh, and one more step. Soon after baking, cover it with a runny icing sugar and water glaze. Pour it all over and then cool the dough down. Finally, our beautiful blueberry twist bread is ready. Let's slice it up and enjoy it with a nice cup of tea. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a go. Happy baking!